Rambo. Your Rambo have a very scary name. And what happened exactly? What happened exactly? Why did you bring him?
He's fight with the monkeys.
With the monkey, with vervet monkeys or with what kind of monkeys?
Black.
Black monkeys. Ooh. And the black monkeys took a chunk out of Rambo. How did they do that? One monkey was distracting him in the front and the other one was biting the tail? Or what? How many monkeys came?
Many monkeys.
Many?
Monkeys.
And he was fighting?
Yeah.
How many did you kill, Rambo?
Rambo killed nothing.
Nothing? Oh, he only lost his tail? Sad. These monkeys are very vicious, huh? Vicious animals. Okay, I think the good news is that this is quite off. So, as you know, off is better than half off. So we will give him some drugs, but then it will be fine. It's a nice dog, Rambo. I like it. Very long legs, huh? Can run fast?
Huh?
He can run fast?
Yes.
Next time tell him to run away from the monkeys. I think it's better. Rambo is back.
Dia cakap begitu gitu. Dia cakap begitu.
They bite it off. They bit it off completely.
Some scratch.
Huh?
Some scratch, I see.
Crazy, huh? These monkeys. Okay. Today he gets another antibiotic. Rambo.